Next Wave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. Assembly Video Series. How to unpack and assemble your Next Wave CNC Shark SD120. In this video, we will show you how to safely unpack and assemble your new Shark SD120 CNC. You will need at least 2 people to safely unpack your SD120 CNC. First, place the box next to a table sturdy enough to hold your SD120 CNC. Carefully open the box and, with assistance, grab the cardboard handles along the longest side of the box. Then, lift the SD120 CNC out of the box and place it onto the table. Set aside the box containing parts, hardware, and paperwork. Remove all plastic wrap and piece of cardboard from the gantry of the SD120. Lift the SD120 CNC off the cardboard and then place to the side. Dispose of the cardboard from underneath the SD120 CNC and then place the CNC back onto the table. Proceed to remove the remaining film from the SD120 CNC. Remove the rubber bands from the cords on the back of the SD120 CNC. Next, open the box containing parts, hardware, and paperwork. Lay out the parts, hardware, and paperwork onto the table next to the SD120 CNC. Refer to your owner's manual to ensure there are no missing items. Next, plug in and securely tighten the X and Z cables from the side of the gantry to the control box. Plug in and securely tighten the Y cable, then plug in the white cable. Plug in and securely tighten the pendant cable to both the pendant and the control box. Connect the cords to the AC power adapter. Next, plug in the cord from the AC adapter into the control box. Plug in the adapter power cord into a trusted power source. Plug in the router adapter cord into the router adapter. Then plug the router adapter cord into the control box and a trusted power source. Finally, let's install the router. Loosen the bolt on the front of the clamp with an Allen wrench. Loosen the 4 bolts that attach the router clamp to the CNC. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently spread the clamp enough to allow the router to drop into place. Ensure that your router power cable is away from the back of the CNC. Proceed to tighten the bolt on the front of the router clamp with an Allen wrench. Then tighten the 4 bolts that attach the router clamp. Finally, insert the flash drive from the Vectric box into your computer. You have now successfully unpacked and assembled your Next Wave CNC Shark SD120. All Next Wave CNC products include lifetime support. Should you have any questions, email us at support@nextwavecnc.com. Shark, world class, made in USA.